What are you doing there, bud?
What's that? Oh, sorry.
Whittling spoon. With a what's it called?
A hook knife.
Hook knife.
Etsy hook knife. Cheaper than a regular hook knife. A regular hook knife's like 20 quid. On Etsy you can get a set for like 16 quid.
Is it?
Hook knife, bag, 2-3 little tools, a little leather strop, and a little bit of Smurfs tool.
Yeah, just bring it along with me every time I come coming in. Maybe.
Nice little set.
Yeah, it's cool. This knife is over. I done that one tonight, perfect with a knife like. I made a lovely spoon. And as I done, I snapped your hands right to the last bit. Devastated. What do you do to this too?
Oh, that seems to be very effective, that is.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I don't know whether you can see that in the camera, but...
Well, it sits in it like.
It does, it's
depth, like.
Nice little indentation going in.
Indentation, word of the day.
Word of the day.
Very fond of my
Got Rob there then making chili con carne.
Yeah,
on fire.
Classic chili con carne. Keep us warm. Absolutely.
On a new craft today. Oh, hang on. Let me zoom. I can't get it. There you go. Ah, it's not working. Hang on.
No. I got to fucking go to the thing tonight. Check that. No, I got to go to get the oil. So I better fucking bounce this on my fucking oil.
Oh, right, okay.
New craft I'm trying today. Hazy IPA. It's from Tap Room, and to be honest, it's quite good. Like, you know, it's 3.7% volume. They don't sponsor us, but they can if they want to. Okay, it's currently 12 o'clock. I'm in the Dutch tent again, but this time it's a dramatic difference because it's raining. And these things haven't got a very good rap when it comes to the rain. So tonight I'm testing this. This is my review of the Dutch Army tent. So while I'm here, I'm gonna cook myself, in the middle of cooking myself a steak. It's on the stove. The rain hasn't come down that much yet. It's been coming down very lightly, so hopefully we should be lucky tonight. Yeah, that's sizzling. Yeah, it is raining, but it's not emptying down like they said it was going to be. I think that should be done now. There's some. That's hot. Let's try it. Oh, that's good. just to confirm, this steak is banging over.
You have your sauce in there?
No sauce, just the steak. No! God damn it.
What will I do?
What will I do?
I did. I think you gotta mix it with milk, and I haven't got any. As well.
Fucking late, don't we?
Too late. I had steak sauce to go in my steak and totally forgot about it. That's mad, I can't see the light from the fire.
Keep my candle on.
Oh, you got a candle on?
That's my fire for the night.
I just opened and throughout the night the Dutch army tent did a bit of leaking. There was nothing too major. There was a few little puddles in here, but luckily I was on my camp bed, so I was high up off the floor. I'll show you the weather. I don't know whether you can see it, but it's absolutely empty now. So I'm staying in here for 5. Okay, so I don't know what it is about the Dutch army tent. I don't know how they managed in the rain. Maybe the more times it gets wet and dries, perhaps it eventually does become waterproof. But I've siliconed this tent twice, and the water still managed to penetrate. The worst thing is now the thought I'm gonna pack away when everything's soaking wet and it is belting down the rain. I don't know why you got stopped. But everyone is in the same mood. They're under the tarp. I'm in my tent. I don't want to move.
Don't want to move.
No.
I managed to make coffee in the tent. Everyone. So, that it. Goofing around.
It rained last night, but we were alright. We were all under the tarp. We were right by the fire. It was nice.
Yeah, the rain didn't really affect that fire at all, did it?
No.
It was off, like.
No, that fire was booming last night, fair play.
Like I say, it took us even every Saturday this year, so far, the end didn't walk.
Yeah.
It's the first time we've experienced rain and it gets a bit.
Oh yeah. The last one was a bad one. I was getting little droplets through the canvas. And it's still soaking wet now. There's no droplets now, but
Yeah, to take a view bad enough now, you'll give it a proper view, haven't you?
yeah.
You viewed enough in a different weathers. Give it a view, proper view on it. So, obviously, I went inside the tent and see one of these things. That's the one in it.
Yeah. It's a good tent in the frost. It's a good tent in the frost. It's a good tent. It's an amazing tent in the dry weather. But in the rain, I don't know. I still had a good sleep.
Yeah.
I didn't have a broken sleep at all. As soon as I actually got to sleep, I was fine. Because it was expected to rain all day and all night, we had some fire logs on the go to help us maintain our fire when it was getting soaked with the rain. But look, I left one out last night, and that's what happens. It's like a dirty old rabbit hutch, as long as we possibly can. So I think it's time to come to the conclusion. It's time to park away. I'm not looking forward to this. I don't know whether you can see that rain. Oh yes, please, bud. So I think we're all just gonna try and perk up the courage to try and pack everything away, because I don't like the thought that everything's gonna be sopping wet. Also the trolley for my bag broke, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.